How to fix Adobe After Effects running slow. 1. Make sure your OS, After Effects, and graphics driver are up to date. Hint, run a VAS driver updater in this video guide to keep your device drivers up to date, easily and effectively. 2. Disable the hardware accelerate feature in After Effects. Path, Preferences display turn off the hardware accelerate composition, layer, and footage panels options. 3. Delete the After Effects media cache. Path, Preferences media and disk cache, hit the empty disk cache button and the clean database and cache button. 4. Modify adaptive resolution, select 1/16 for adaptive resolution limit and set 1152 for texture memory under GPU information. Path, After Effects Preferences previews locate the adaptive resolution limit drop-down. 5. Increase RAM. Path, Preferences memory and performance the RAM reserved for other applications option. 6. Increase the rendering speed by turning on disable layer cache and ignore sequence rendering errors. Set the purge every value to a lower value later. 7. Disable ray tracing. Path, Composition settings advanced renderer use classic 3D. 8. Use the enable multi-frame rendering option. Path, After Effects menu preferences memory and performance. 9. Other tips. Check running processes and apps with WTM. Turn on cache frames. When idle option. Split the composition into multiple smaller parts. Consider upgrading your hardware.